zoom booms, bringing it closer so the crane can lift it up. Well, trusses are on, so that's pretty cool to see. The framers are finishing strapping that all together, putting that in place. Pretty cool to see that crane just lift it all together instead of building them one by one up on the roof. So that was cool to see. But we got to get going here. It is calm, so I have to continue spraying. A chunk of metal on the road. A little bit of an overlap with the spring and harvest, just the way it is this year. I have quite a bit of canola left to spray, over 2,000 acres. So I'm going to do that this morning, at least get one tank out. The harvest crew is going to start combining, and hopefully the trucks won't all be full before I get there. Unload them. There's moose on the other side. Two little calves. Oh, I'm gonna miss them. There they are. They're so little. Oh, and a deer. Oh man. They're like chasing each other. There they are. They're running now. There's Mama Bear looking for her babies. Folding up to get through this little channel. Well, the timing's good, a little bit later than what I was spraying before, but the stand is very average. Maybe 30 bushels. I think it'd be a stretch for anything more than that. Well, I got the radio and I can hear the harvest crew talking, but they can't hear me. Can you guys hear me now? Do I have time to do another tank? The boys got a tea time at 4:47. I think I'm gonna go. Well, the water trailer's up here already. This field of wheat stubble is gonna be base camp for some of the spraying up here. We have almost 2,000 acres of wheat combined already. So I gotta keep rolling on the canola because coming in hot. This canola needs to dry down. You don't want green canola once you're done all the wheat. The harvest crew says I got time for another tank. Get a quick one in. Sunday fun day. Bob's going. There's combines going over here. You can see the jack. We are just on the other side of those trees. There were combines sitting over here this morning. Yeah, that's all I can see from here. Well, it's not the heaviest I've ever seen. The crew says the trucks are getting full, so I gotta get out of here and go start hauling. I'm almost empty. I'm spraying my way to the truck. Yeah, I got time for a second tank my ass. Cart's full. She's waiting to move a truck with me. And I forgot the radio in the sprayer. Good job, me. Got you a truck. This whole load will fit. The wheat looks pretty good. Had a couple showers on it, but it's holding pretty good color. Next truck going home. The new toy for this year is our electric over hydraulic block. So an electric circuit controls the hydraulic flow. We can control the redondo from our remote, so it eliminates getting into the cab, starting the hydraulics, getting out, moving those handles. So we can do it from the remote now. Oops. It is quite quick, plus the tilt only works the one way for now. Swing moves. So we still are getting out to tilt it up. I think it's just a flow issue. It wants to. So let me just manually tilt that up. The flow is cranked right up to move these handles, making it the world's fastest swing auger. So you gotta stand back. See, it's a little quick, but we're still working out the kinks. This should fit in this bin. I gotta move the auger. So then if you swing it back to the middle, there you go. Just this spline shaft that slides in there what drives it. You can see through my window. Another good thing about this is it's hardly even noticeable. It's so discreet.
Mizell and Smoke Mizell will take it across the 45 at the 46-yard line.
The riders,
up by
they're winning.
Derek Moncrief also in there. Take on Mizell to his right now. Katoy goes in motion to the right.
Subbers here.
The slot. Here's Adams looking left for Hollins. He's open. He makes the catch near the rider's sideline. Bounced out of bounds by Derek Moncrief, but not before he takes it to the 36 of the Saskatchewan Roughriders.
Back in the sprayer doing another tank tonight. Harvest crew is still giving her, and now it's decided to sprinkle. A little rain delay. Can you guys hear me now?